Hi, I'm Edrie Pfeiffer, the attorney here at Hampton Roads Legal Services. One of the questions I frequently get from clients is people who have received what is called a warrant in debt in the mail, and they are very concerned because they're afraid that they're going to be arrested for a debt. We don't have debtors' prisons here in Virginia, and so you're not being arrested when you receive a warrant in debt. What it is what a creditor files to get a judgment against you for an unpaid debt. They're simply asking that a judge declare that you owe them money, which is what a judgment is. It doesn't change the nature of the debt at all. If the debt was able to be discharged in bankruptcy before they got a judgment, it can be discharged after they get a judgment. However, the judgment is the first step in involuntary collection actions. Once a creditor has a judgment against you, they have to wait 10 calendar days, and then they can file for a garnishment summons. If they file a garnishment summons and they know where you're employed, they can request that your employer withhold 25% of your after-tax income throughout the garnishment period. And then at the end of the garnishment period, they go to court on the hearing date for the garnishment summons and pick up all the checks that were collected during that time period. If they know where you bank, they can send the garnishment summons to your bank, and your bank is required to freeze all of the money that you have in your name in that bank, regardless if there is somebody else on the account or not. And that money remains frozen, and any new money that comes into the bank is also frozen up to the amount of the judgment. And again, then the money is turned over to the creditor on the hearing date for the garnishment summons. If you have been served with a warrant in debt, you need to contact us right away so that we can get you under the protection of the bankruptcy court. Once you have filed bankruptcy, the creditor has to stop wherever they're at in the process. If they have not gotten a judgment against you, they may not enter a judgment against you. If they have a judgment but have not filed for a garnishment, they cannot proceed to get a garnishment. If they have a garnishment and we file before the hearing date on the garnishment, they have to stop the garnishment, and we should be able to get the money back for you that's been withheld in that garnishment cycle. If you're facing a warrant in debt or a judgment, give us a call today so we can get this taken care of before you start losing money. Give us a call today.